Wala mahuli yan.
Alright guys, we're going fishing.
Paul, where's up? Meron ano? Got one yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Where your fishing pole?
Guys, this is what you call brackish water. It's when salt water and fresh water mixed together.
Yeah, you need to read it fast.
It looks tasty. Give it a bite.
Chill.
It's gummy worms. Oh, look at them. Look at all those gummy worms.
That one? Yeah.
Well, it's what color one?
Right.
Right color?
And attractive. When the color of the water is like that?
It's
Is it normal?
yeah. Right now, the water's kind of high.
It's high tide.
Some rain somewhere along the way, but this is brackish water because you have the Albemarle Sound or Pamlico Sound actually just south of here, not too far. And so this is the North Landing River, so it's infused with fresh water.
Fresh water and salt water.
Yeah, so you can catch most salt and freshwater species out here. You catch
Do they have
crabs.
catfish here?
Yeah, I lost over $100 reel about 25 years ago. Well, let's see. 1997 and 98. Had my daughter and nieces and nephews with me, and we were over there by where the boat launch is. And one of them got hung up or something, and so like a dummy, I laid my rod on the ground. I shouldn't have. The catfish got it.
Oh, man.
Took off with it. So, and I tried with a grapple hook.
Yeah.
It must have been way out in the middle of the river somewhere, but I never got it.
Do you need a license to fish here?
Yeah.
I said fresh water or salt water?
I think, I'm not certain, I have to look it up, but I think you might be able to use both.
Oh, okay. Either one.
So I know you got salt water.
Yeah, I got salt water.
So, I'd have to look it up. But I come down here.
Oh dang, bro, you're a fisherman now. Dang. What you trying to catch?
Catfish.
Catfish. Who you trying to catfish? Wow. That's some good fishing. Dang, you're a real pro.
Don't have license.
Oh, it's alright. Well, we'll keep an eye out for game warden. I don't want to get my equipment taken. All underneath this dock here.
You guys can go here if you guys want.
I don't know if y'all want to keep it or not.
They will. They make soup out of it, something Filipino called sinigang.
But grill it.
Are you the one catching all the fish?
But he got that guy giant.
Oh, okay.
That guy got.
There you go. I like it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Got some meat on it.
Yeah.
Oh, Nathan!
Tignan boy. Pasa yan.
Nice.
Oh man. That's black crappie there.
Yeah, nice catch.
They caught one.
Alright!
Nice.
For the vlog! Look at that!
Is this like, can you like take this somewhere? No. Like this size?
With crappie.
You need to put it
There's
back.
only one or two places in Virginia that have signs on one's out on the lake, Ferdinand, 9-inch, 11-inch size.
It's an experience.
Hey, man.
Put it down.
That's usually what I'm after, but I like to get them bigger if I can.
So sometimes you can't take this home like this big?
You can, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Just,
Put in one back?
you want it?
If we're getting more.
Or we can get.
Si Papa, sige, pinakain ba niya sa baba? Like,
Oh,
ano,
Ako walang huli, mag-agit.
ha?
Akala ko walang huli, akala ko nasabit.
Yeah, well, maybe. Man, you got
Lagay
it.
mo!
Oh, wow, another one, a bigger one.
That's the big one!
Nice. Yeah.
That's the big one!
That's a big one, man. That's a
Are we,
good size.
are we gonna grill that right now?
That size and bigger is what I'm after. Yeah. When I,
Wow,
when I
good.
fishing,
So, it's legal to keep it?
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah.
We're going to cook it.
Absolutely. I'll give it to you. I'll say I
That's
got
a
it,
big
I'll
one.
give it to you.
Mine was a little one.
You got it.
Hi guys, it's
Oh,
real,
wow.
it's not fake.
Yeah, crappie fish.
And here I couldn't catch them earlier.
Juice! Tita! There's Julius right there.
This is a big one.
Yeah, it's good size.
Look at the eyes.
Ah, he caught it.
Master Fisher.
Nice.
This, it look yummy. It look
They
big.
are. They are. They're good. They are. That's why I prefer catching those.
Yep.
That's a big one actually.
And hook it. Pull. Maybe there's more.
Yeah, go ahead and hook it.
Yeah.
Let's catch more.
Before you know it, you may have a
You don't have any.
whole bunch of fish.
Right there, get a branch from the tree.
You end up, instead of going crabbing tonight, you have dinner here tonight.
Hey, there, get one of them branches from the tree.
Jules, tanggalin mo nga, bro.
Is it hard?
Son caught a little one, Dad caught a big one.
Caught another one.
May isa pa ito, gagi.
Isa pa yan.
We put another menu thing on it. I'm glad this thing's working. This stuff's working. Need a minnow? Need a dead minnow on it?
Nalagay mo.
Dami.
1, 2, 3. Oh, big
That
one.
is a bass. That's
Wow.
not a-
Oh, he got away.
Balik mo yung isa mo.
Another one.
Balik mo yung isa. Easy, bro. Balik mo yung church. Tanggalin ko to.
Oh man.
Eh, okay na yan. Keep na natin to.
Sa'yo, magaling ako eh.
Oh, have mercy. Hey, if nothing else,
Lalim,
make
boy.
some
Sabi
fish
mo nga, boy.
tacos. Oh man. Y'all doing better than I have.
Going to grill it. Oh, not anymore. It's my turn.
We got dinner.
Yeah, push that.
The lure.
Whoops. Yeah, just push. All you gotta do is just push it up. And
Easy.
the belly part. The fat. Oh, you know what? Let me change it out. Let me change
Dang,
it out. I got
that one's
more of it.
fat.
That's what happened.
Damn, bro, that thing is fat.
Oh,
What are we?
All this,
Right, dito.
Where?
sasang mo dyan.
Jig.
Charge.
Jig, yeah.
Oh, rinse mo muna.
Don't let it go.
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it. All right.
Next, you want to try?
Yeah. Go for it. Okay. Where's my monkey milk? That's what that was.
Easy naman katali si Richard. Natural talaga si Richard. Gugat sa'yo agad ah.
Akala ko wala. Ayun, dali lang, tanggalin no. Sama
For another
pag
one.
ginuhuli mo yun eh.
Ano nga?
Come on,
Pass mo,
man.
pass
You
mo,
can
pass
do it.
That's the one you caught before.
I was going to shame you and tell you my 8-year-old granddaughter takes fish off of hooks.
Hilahin mo na lang. Cause they got like paper mouth.
Yeah, you could tell. I mean, see how thin it is? It'll
Lagay mo sa loob.
go for it.
We're going to keep
Catch a mess.
Or too
catch
small.
Catch dinner. Dad did the calling out there and said, "Come on, get it."
Yeah.
Oh, just throw it up there.
Are we going to see if we can
You want to add this?
Mr. Fishy? Do you want to add this? Paul?
You want to add this? I can take you cottonmouth, watermouth, the same thing. Here's a couple of pictures of them here. A few pictures up there. And well, I guess maybe have a green tint to it. But if you go to Back Bay Wildlife Refuge, you see them a lot out there. And you'll see why they're called, how they got their name water moccasin. Because they're one of the few fish that actually float on top of the water. Well, what happens, how they sun themselves on the water, they form a figure 8, yeah, and they float on the water. Let the wind blow.
Okay, Noy.
Buti.
Maki.
Walking the dog.
You're walking the dog.
Or the dog walking me.
I think he found his spot.